Everyone loves a good unboxing, especially for a new toy. Corey just got a new cutout tool and he's super excited to show you what he's got. I said he could show you his bits and it likely won't be the last time. I'm Danielle and welcome to De-cor Homes.
Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes again. Got my new Milwaukee cutout tool here and just wanted to talk about the bits that go inside of it. So these things have the capabilities of cutting through drywall, wood, not 2x4s, but thinner wood, and tile. Okay, so if you ever wondered what the difference of the bits are, well, let's have a look. If you have a look here, okay, these are the three different styles of bits, okay? The way to figure out a drywall bit is that it has a pointed edge. This pointed edge here, this one I'll lift it up, okay? This pointed edge goes into the drywall and pierces, it's like a self-piercing hole to go into the drywall, okay? If you hit a stud behind it, it will not go through the stud, okay? So this is simply, we use this a lot for cutting out like a ceiling boxes or receptacles, and we cut them out to size. Even sometimes we'll even drywall before the baseboards are up. We'll drywall over top of the door, and then we'll just trim around the door with this thing. Looks really cool, and you look like a boss when you're doing it, right? So the pointed bit is for drywall, okay? The flat top bit is all purpose. So this flat top bit is for cutting through wood, or it's a multi-surface bit, okay? The last one is this studded one. The studded one is for tile, okay? This is more of a diamond bit, and it will cut through just about anything. These are all, I think I got these through RotoZip. So when you're buying these bits, be smart, okay? Buy 10 packs, buy 20 packs, buy the largest packs you can get. If you can't get it from Home Depot or Lowe's, get it from Amazon, get it from anywhere you can. Bits can be really cheap or they could be really expensive. So if you buy them one at a time, you're going to pay a lot of money. One thing to note is that the drywall bits are fairly inexpensive. Same thing with the wood bits, so they come in large multi-packs. The tile bits are quite a bit more expensive. They come in 1 or 2 packs, and yeah, they're pricey. So make sure when you're cutting with all of the above, make sure that you're always completely level. And when I say level, this has to be completely flush with the surface that you're cutting on, okay? If this thing isn't on and if it's not completely flush, when it goes at an angle, you'll get this vibration. It'll vibrate, and then boop, the bit breaks off.
Do the sound again?
Pardon me?
I said do the sound again.
Boop. All right, so yeah. That's pretty much all you need to know about these bits. The tile bit is studded. The drywall bit has a tip to it. It's also really cheap, so it's easy to remember. And the multi-surface bit is completely flat. Okay? Thanks for watching.
You made it to the end. Make sure you check out our other videos and subscribe. See you next time.